the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy on BingX. Tips from the experts. Hey there, friends. Ryan here, and let me tell you, if you're looking to make some serious bank in the world of cryptocurrency trading, you'll want to listen up. I've got the inside scoop on the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy that'll have you swimming in dough faster than you can say cha-ching. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bitcoin. Isn't that just a bunch of hocus pocus that only tech-savvy nerds can understand? Well, my friend, let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrency are where it's at, and if you're not already on the bandwagon, you're seriously missing out. But don't worry, I'm here to change all that. In this epic, mind-blowing, and totally comprehensive guide, I'm going to spill the beans on the top-secret Bitcoin trading strategy that the big-shot Wall Street guys don't want you to know about. By the time you're done watching this video, you'll be a bona fide crypto trading pro, ready to take on the markets and leave the competition in the dust. So, buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. We're talking about a strategy that's so effective, it'll have you feeling like a financial genius. And the best part, you can put it to work on the BingX cryptocurrency exchange, where the trading action is hotter than a jalapeno in a sauna. Now, I know what you're thinking, BingX. Isn't that just another shady crypto exchange trying to rip me off? Well, my friend, let me tell you, BingX is the real deal. It's a cutting-edge, user-friendly platform that's loaded with features to help you crush it in the crypto markets. And here's the kicker, when you sign up for BingX using the referral code 911, you'll get access to exclusive perks and bonuses that'll have you laughing all the way to the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and discover the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy that'll have you living the high life in no time. First and foremost, let's talk about the basics of Bitcoin and why it's such a big deal in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all digital currencies, is a decentralized peer-to-peer payment system that operates without the need for a central authority like a government or a financial institution. This means that no one can control or manipulate the Bitcoin network, which makes it a super secure and transparent way to store and transfer value. Now, the reason why Bitcoin is such a hot commodity is that it's become a sort of digital gold, a store of value that's seen its price skyrocket over the years. In fact, just a decade ago, you could have scooped up a single Bitcoin for less than $100. Fast forward to today, and a single Bitcoin is worth over $50,000. That's a pretty sweet return on investment, if you ask me. But here's the thing, Bitcoin isn't just for the big-shot investors and tech whizzes. Nope, anyone with a little know-how and a hunger for financial freedom can get in on the action. And that's where the BingX cryptocurrency exchange comes in. BingX is a one-stop shop for all your crypto trading needs, offering a user-friendly platform, a wide range of trading tools and features, and a rock-solid security system to keep your digital assets safe. And the best part, when you sign up using the referral code 911, you'll unlock a whole host of exclusive perks and bonuses that'll have you feeling like a high roller. But enough about the exchange, let's dive into the juicy details of the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy. Now, I know what you're thinking, trading Bitcoin. Isn't that just a bunch of guesswork and luck? Well, my friend, let me tell you, there's a lot more to it than that. The key to successful Bitcoin trading is all about understanding the market, staying on top of the latest trends and developments, and having a solid trading strategy that you can rely on. And that's where this guide comes in. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of building a winning Bitcoin trading strategy that'll have you raking in the dough like a boss. First up, let's talk about market analysis. Now, I know what you're thinking, market analysis. That sounds like a bunch of boring number crunching and complicated charts, but trust me, this is the foundation of any successful trading strategy. You need to understand the factors that drive the price of Bitcoin, from global economic conditions to regulatory changes and everything in between. One of the most important things to keep an eye on is the overall sentiment in the crypto market. Is the general mood bullish, with investors feeling optimistic and ready to buy? Or is the market feeling bearish, with people selling off their Bitcoin holdings? Understanding this ebb and flow of market sentiment can help you time your trades perfectly and avoid getting caught in a downward spiral. Another key factor to consider is the technical analysis of the Bitcoin price chart. Now, I know what you're thinking, technical analysis. That's just a bunch of voodoo magic that only the pros can understand. But trust me, it's a lot simpler than you might think. By studying things like support and resistance levels, moving averages, and candlestick patterns, you can start to identify potential buying and selling opportunities that can give you a serious edge in the market. But it's not just about understanding the market, you also need to have a solid trading strategy in place. And that's where the real magic happens. One of the most effective Bitcoin trading strategies is known as dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. The basic idea behind DCA is to invest a fixed amount of money into Bitcoin at regular intervals, regardless of the current price. This helps to smooth out the ups and downs of the market and can be a great way to build your Bitcoin holdings over time. Another popular strategy is known as trend trading, where you try to identify the overall direction of the Bitcoin market and then place trades that align with that trend. This can be a bit more risky than DCA, but it can also offer the potential for bigger rewards if you get it right. And of course, no Bitcoin trading strategy would be complete without a bit of risk management. You need to have a solid plan in place for managing your trades, including things like stop-loss orders and position sizing. This will help you to protect your hard-earned gains and minimize your potential losses. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually put it into practice? Well, that's where the BingX cryptocurrency exchange comes in. As I mentioned earlier, when you sign up for BingX using the referral code 911, you'll get access to a whole host of exclusive features and bonuses that'll help you to take your Bitcoin trading game to the next level. For starters, BingX offers a user-friendly trading platform that's packed with powerful tools and features to help you analyze the market, execute trades, and manage your risk. And with its advanced charting and technical analysis tools, you'll be able to identify potential trading opportunities with ease. But that's not all. BingX also offers a range of other features that can help to enhance your trading experience. For example, you can take advantage of the platform's margin trading options to amplify your gains and your losses, so be careful. Or you can use the built-in copy trading feature to follow the strategies of the platform's top-performing traders. And let's not forget about the referral code 911 that I mentioned earlier. When you use this code to sign up for BingX, you'll unlock a whole host of exclusive perks and bonuses that'll have you feeling like a high roller. We're talking about things like bonus trading credits, discounts on trading fees, and even the chance to participate in exclusive trading competitions with some seriously juicy prizes up for grabs. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take your Bitcoin trading game to the next level and start raking in the dough like a boss. Just head over to the BingX cryptocurrency exchange, sign up using the referral code 911, and get ready to dive into the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to check the description below for all the relevant links and contact information you'll need to get started on your crypto trading journey. Happy trading, my friends!